Hey guys, it's Malik back with another video. Today I am going to be installing my Fort brake light. Been waiting to get this for a while. I chose this one specifically because it kind of goes with my tail light. So hope you guys enjoy today's video. Let's go ahead and open this up. Good packaging. Good packaging. We got one bubble wrap, two bubble wrap, and here to the bottom. See some more good packaging, more bubble wrap. You got your zip ties and what we came for. We have the Fort brake light with the module that controls the sequential. I went ahead and got it with smoke so it could match my tail lights, and then I could have got where this was white, but I chose to do red as it does have a part of my tail light that has red, so this will go perfectly with my tail lights. So what you're gonna want to do is take this tray out, and then remove all the pop clips. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can go ahead and have the tail light as well as this area exposed, because this is where you're going to need to work. Okay, so I went ahead and used the flathead to wedge it right in there to pop them, and then I used the pry tool to pull them out. And you don't have to do this, but I just like to do this so I don't have to worry about them getting lost. Get your Ziploc bag so you can put, whether it's all the bolts and the pop clips, and you're gonna keep them together. So I have one, and then I have another one if I do need you don't have to take your bumper off, but I might, just so it'll be a little bit easier. But yes, you're gonna want to remove your cover, and then take this out, and then also you're gonna need to remove this as well, and that has more pop clips that you're gonna need to take out. Okay, now that you took the clips out, it just pops off, and then you're gonna take this, and don't forget to unhook the trunk opener button, And now you have access to the tail light and this switch that you'll be utilizing. So underneath the car, it's going to be 2 screws on the side and some pop clips. If you look at the new light, you're going to see on the top is going to be 2 10mm bolts, and then on the side is going to be 2 pop clips. So this works better for me, just kind of taking the bumper, not all the way off, but kind of off. It gives me better access. You can see the bolts right there, and then the clips right here on the side. So this is how I do it, or how I did it. I kind of took my bumper not all the way off, but somewhat off, so I could get access since I don't have a lift or jacks, and I don't feel like lifting my car up right now. So this is how I'm doing it for today. So you see we have the 10mm bolts, then the 2 pop clips, and right now I do have a aftermarket brake light. Hence, this was supposed to be the F1 style. So the new brake light comes with its own wire and gasket, so it'll be different for me. I have an aftermarket, so I'll have to get rid of this, and then this is the factory one that comes with it. We can go ahead and unplug that because that's going to be replaced, and then I'll take out this is the other cord that came with the aftermarket Ford brake light. You take that away and I'll show you where the new one goes.
What else do you have to?
So we have the sequential, and then we have what was supposed to be the F1 style, so this was supposed to blink, but it's a whole nother story. And as I was telling you, this comes with its own wire that will be feeding through along with this. So you're gonna want to go ahead and fish this line where the factory one was, and you're gonna leave it right here. And for this controls the sequential. You're gonna want to take this off and fish it through here, so you can reach it and it'll be inside and you'll be able to control it. Okay, so sun is up, focus. So this setting on me. So you're gonna have to depin, focus. You're gonna have to depin the brake light. What you're gonna do, and it took me some time, you're gonna use the prick tool and you're gonna push. Come on, focus. You're gonna push here from the bottom up, and then you're gonna pull the wire out. You're gonna have to do the blue one, and I went ahead and made my slit down here. You're gonna pull this wire out, and let me go ahead and do that. Don't have my tripod, so catch you guys in the next clip. And then you can do it now or later. You're gonna have to clip off the end, so you can do it now, before or after you pull the wire out. No, it has tape here, so it might be easier to just clip it now and then pull it through, so I'll try that way. So it was much easier for me to cut the wire and pull it through, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna strip the wire. Okay, so after you strip the wire, you're gonna crimp on a male connector, and then you are gonna connect this side to the brake light. So we do it to the green wire, and then you connect the T-tap, and then you connect this other wire down here, and all that's left to do is try and see if the brake lights work. So the sun has now set it on me, but you attach the T-tap to the green wire, then you attach the male connector. You go ahead and plug this into the factory harness, and then you put your trunk back together, and I will now show you the finished product. Thank you for watching today's video. If you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.
They took it to 10.